There's Bonnie Bunny. Oh. Hello, Bunny. Hello, Bunny. You see Bonnie Bunny? You see Bonnie Bunny? Don't be licking your chops. Okay. You want to go for a walk? Okay. Sammy sees a turkey. Lots of wildlife here. So this is supposedly the swimming area to the left.
I think the water's pretty far.
It might be. There might not be no swimming here. We'll check it out. Oh, it is a park truck. Huh. Interesting. Or is it a water, that same water truck? It's a water truck. It's not a state park. Texas Water Development Board. This used to be a boat ramp.
This way. Down towards the boat ramp.
Yeah.
I lead the way.
Oh, little cottontail. Little cottontail.
Hi, Bonnie.
Bonnie Bunny.
Hi, Bonnie.
Hi, Bonnie.
Oh, pretty. Yeah.
Bonnie Bunny.
Look at you.
You pretty?
That's a pretty bunny. Oh, it's a good bunny.
And then there's trees right there. Blocking the view of the lake. There's the lake.
Look at all the turkey. Oh, he's got his feathers up. Look at him.
Look in front of you so you Ooh, isn't he pretty?
He's big.
Whoa!
Look at you.
Oh, I'm not getting him. Hi, you gonna come over here? There's some deer. He's following you. Big old turkey. It's a shelter.
Oh, there's the whole neighborhood.
Oh, the whole neighborhood.
Wow. Ain't that
Whole
nice?
neighborhood.
Look at the view.
Yeah, that's nice. Have a shelter right there on the lake.
Yeah. Wow.
Not anybody down there.
And one truck down there.
Yeah. This is the observation fishing dock, but there's no water under it. But we're gonna go look at it anyway. Oh, the canoe launch. Too bad it's dried up. Birds love it here. They sure do. Green jay, crested cara. That's a big one. And Harris's hawk. These are birds that migrate from the north and south. American golden plover. And that's not a flamingo, but it's a spoonbill. Interesting. So this state park has a gymnasium.
I think they have a swimming pool. Do they?
Oh, I know they have a tennis court behind here and a basketball court, and there may be a baseball diamond. But look at that big old building. Texas historical marker. Yeah.
Nature Center.
Oh, is that what it is?
That's what that says.
Huh.
This is
The gym. First producing gas well in McMullen County and first gas pipeline to San Antonio. Huh. Interesting. Tennis courts back there. We don't know what that is. No picnic areas. Swings with no swings on them. We just want to tempt the kids and then not have to
tempt the adults.
Well, that's right.
Oh, sweet.
What is in the fence over there?
It's interesting.
I think the baseball field's back there. Recreation hall. Oh, there's actually people in that pavilion over there.
Like the boat ramp is right down here.
Okay.
Now you can see the water. Well, this water's going that way, and the other water was going this way.
Yeah. You just put in and tool around and come back.
Yeah, just because you can go
Oh, are you fixing
way out
oh, you
there
know. Yeah.
in the blazing hot sun.
Yeah, it says spring hours they should be open. But they're not. Cooling towels. Boil water. Do not drink, cook, or brush teeth. Boil first. Oh. We'll return at 6. Look at the paint job on that Chinook. Alright, I'm about to have my leftover sushi from yesterday. Yeah, Sammy says, what? What is it? Can you say sushi? Sushi. Sushi. Yeah. My little cup is... Oh, no. I'll be back. Aren't you pretty?
Wow, that's a pose.
It is a pose. Thank you.
Wow.
He just came right over here and
So
said,
handsome.
He's like,
over here and did that for
there he
us.
goes again.
There he goes again.
He's like, I gotta follow all these gals into the bushes.
I got girls to chase.
You better hurry up. You're a little slow.
Handsome. Oh, look at you.
Gobble, gobble. Hurry up. He's stepping it up now.